5 years ago to the day, I witnessed a shooting while I was having a sleepover with my little sister and was taken hostage in my condo. There were a lot of ups and downs of learning who my hostage keepers were, a little bit of Stockholm syndrome, and it all ended when I woke up and realized that it was a dream. I made a TikTok much like this one, thinking that maybe this would get some views, and I was right. Within 2 weeks, I had 1.3 million views and thousands of people asking me to write that as a book. I had my reservations at first, but I gave in, and within 3 months had the entire trilogy written. It took me another year from that point to publish Vacancies in Time, the first book of the completed trilogy. Within a couple months, I had published Vitality of Time, and on this day, 2 years ago, I published Venture Through Time, the final book in the trilogy. The Vacancies in Time trilogy is a historical science fiction romance adventure following a girl who witnesses a shooting, as I said, and is taken hostage. But she discovers that there's something rather unusual about the people who have taken her hostage, and specifically the reason that they're having a stakeout in her apartment. The other two books follows her journey of discovering what they are, who they are, and what they mean to her. The craziest thing is spending essentially 2 years fighting to get these out to people, only to take them off of Amazon and unpublish them because Amazon decided to print my next book ahead of schedule with a fake cover and my actual name on the inside and all of my editor notes. So I switched publishing platforms, and The Hunter and the Hunted came out soon after, which is what I'm rather known for. I have a literary fiction called Masters I don't actually own the physical copy of, but I released that in March, and now my 6th published book, that makes that 3 years, is coming out in 2 months. It is especially crazy because my 12-year-old sister, or that's what she's called in the first book, just had her sweet 16. So to the few who have been here with me from the very beginning of my journey, thank you so much, and I hope the next 5 years are even crazier.